it so nicely. Just swivel on his back foot. That's in the air, and he'll clear the boundary. Plays his favourite stroke with some effects. Rohit Sharma.
Nobody had slipped. Shikhar Dhawan, and India will take the boundary. Very nice. Very, very nice. Minimum of effort and a very good result for Shikhar Dhawan.
Sweep shot, what a shot, it's a beautiful shot.
Attracts all and sundry. Nicely played into the gap. Boundary number 2 of the over.
But he's hit it over the boundary, and it looks like it could be a good stop. Or is it a boundary? I think we're going to have a look upstairs to see if Shikhar Dhawan's just gone for another boundary.
Is the ball touching his hand? Touch. Oh yes, I think it's touching his wrist at the same time as he's fallen on the boundary, and I think it's Shikhar Dhawan's 50. It certainly is. Oh, goodness me. And there it is. There it is, the 100 partnership. They're 13th together. Mr. Gavaskar, that's impressive.
Very impressive. They're a sensational opening pair. Complement each other so well, left and right in combination. Both sometimes compete with each other. What a shot. He really has been playing this straight drive beautifully today.
Pulled away in front of square and 4 runs. Oh, he has employed that stroke with some effects tonight.
Running the first one hard, can he get to his 50? It's a magnificent 50. Elegant, and as always becoming more and more dependable. So I had a couple of chances, but that's part and parcel of the game. It's been a super effort by the skipper once again. He's gone for the big one. And when he does, it goes all the way. Also ending the over. 151 for no loss. They beautifully bisected the 2 fielders in the deep. Another over ending with a boundary.
Wow! What a shot from Rohit Sharma. Picking the length very early and pouncing on it. Beautiful timing. Oh, and with shots like that, he's leading the way.
He did. Clears the boundary. Another 6.
Another drop. Pakar Zaman not going to embrace the captain. Sometimes you get gifts. They're called full tosses, they're also called long hops. We've seen a full toss, and there's your long hop.
What a way to reach a special 100. It's been an outstanding innings from Shikhar Dhawan. Paced his innings beautifully. 15th one-day international 100. Well, I'm gonna go. I've got the freedom. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
No, it's a run out. There could be a run out. Is there going to be a run out? There is. Yes, there is.
What a superb innings, and what a sad end to such a wonderful innings coming to an end.
Good piece of fielding. Very good piece of fielding. Good from Shoaib Malik.
And Shikhar Dhawan receives a standing applause, and he fully deserves that.
But
to Radu coming on his birthday.
Nicely played, intentional from Radu. Looking for two. Dazzling 100 this. The Shikadavan sparkled. It's Rohit Sharma's dazzling effort. 19th 100 in one-day international.
Once again, that short arm pull coming into effect, and the ball's gone. Where's it gone? Ellis into the crowd.